In our last video, we looked at the big picture, how an end-to-end RAG-based AI solution works. If you missed that, check the link in the description. Today, we are zooming in on the critical component, the vector database. We'll cover what a vector database is, why your AI solution will be unreliable without it, and how to choose the right vector database for your organization in today's world. Welcome to CareerLink, your hub for building, learning, and applying AI in the real world. Today's video will be intended towards working professionals and organization leaders as well. First, let's begin with the use case we have been discussing in our previous videos. An employee asks a question in a chat interface of a portal in a large organization. I work remotely. Can I expense a $1,200 monitor that I use for my work? And here is an answer that will decline the request to that question. Getting an accurate answer in this case is extremely easy only if it's a small company with few PDF documents, but not in a large enterprise with many departments. And here are the reasons why. Fragmentation, HR says one thing, finance says another, and the policy document says it depends. Second one, keeping information up to date. Policies change every month. And the third one is security. A VP might be allowed that $1,200 monitor while a junior associate isn't. To solve this at scale, you need more than just a folder of files. You need a scalable storage that is optimized to store the meaning of these documents represented in a list of numbers known as a vector, not just the plain text. That's exactly what the vector database is. A vector database is a specialized database storage to enable semantic search across large volumes of unstructured data in a large system. It is often referred to as a vector store as well. If you are curious about semantic search and how it is different from the traditional keyword search, please check out our other video. In addition, a vector database allows developers to write SQL-like syntax to search information based on its meaning. It provides easy-to-use APIs to perform CRUD operations for unstructured data. Vectors can be created, read, updated, and removed quickly based on source information, allowing the users to access the answer far more easily. Not all vector stores are created equal, however. As a leader or architect, you'll likely choose from three categories. The first one, managed, specialized. The second one, database extensions. And the third one, cloud native. Though their purpose is different from relational databases, which are more focused on keyword-based search, these are very similar to relational databases from a developer's perspective. From a business perspective, a vector store, meaning database, is an organizational memory of everything, not just the raw text, but the meaning of the information. Organizational memory is relevant for every AI use case in the organization. This is the reason vector database is a critical foundational component of any AI solution. If we recall our RAG use case, vector database is the most important component in the overall solution. Now we understand what a vector database is and its importance. Let's learn how it should be used. We want to know how do we get your messy documents or web content into this database, keep them updated, and retrieve information quickly. It happens in 3 stages: chunking and embedding. The second step is data synchronization, and the third step is retrieval and filtering. We don't just upload a 100-page PDF. We break it into what we call as chunks. Then we create vector embedding along with their IDs and store each chunk in a new role of the database. As you will see in the screen, every chunk of data will have ID. And in the table, you can also see the other components like the ID, original text, vector embedding, and metadata. Metadata includes various information like source URL, document name, page number, and updated date time. Keeping all this information in addition to vector embedding will allow us to provide more information to users for transparency. The next part is data synchronization. This is the most difficult task. If a policy document changes in your SharePoint or web portal, but your vector database isn't updated, your AI will lie to your employees with total confidence. So every time a document changes, we need to create or update corresponding records in the vector store. You also need a strategy for real-time versus batch ingestion to ensure the organizational memory stays fresh. Choice can depend on the business need and complexity of your solution. Now, the third part, retrieval and filtering. When the user asks about the monitor, the database executes a query to find the relevant chunks. But it must also apply metadata filters. It checks additional information such as who is asking, are they a VP, are they in the US or UK? The database filters out what the user isn't allowed to see before the AI even reads it. In the real solution, the application pulls the original text from the vector database for matching records and sends it to the LLM like Gemini or ChatGPT so the AI can read and reason and then formulate an answer. Thoughtful design of vector database with right ingestion, synchronization, and retrieval can make the AI solution very practical. Whereas poor vector database design creates silent failure, not just the obvious bugs. Putting everything together, this is how vector database will power the end-to-end AI solution. Here are a few bonus tips for organization leaders who want to set up a long-term AI technology foundation that is solid and future-proof. First one, decouple data from models. Your vector database is your asset. The LLM is a commodity. If you build your data pipeline right, you can swap GPT-4 for a newer model in 6 months without rebuilding your knowledge base. Second one, hybrid search is your safety net. Don't rely solely on meaning. Combine semantic search with keyword search to ensure the AI finds specific codes like Form HR 2026A every single time. Third one, factor in security early. Use attribute-based access control. Don't just store data. Ensure the AI only remembers what the specific user is authorized to see. Fourth one, optimized cost with tiered storage. Use a hot-cold strategy. Keep frequently used policies in high-performance memory and archive old projects on cheaper disk storage to save up to 70% on infra costs. Fifth one, audit for silent failures. When an AI is wrong, distinguish between reasoning error the LLM and retrieval era, the vector database. AI governance is key to maintaining organizational trust. And that's all for today. For more such contents, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have an upcoming circle on RAG that will be running soon, so please make sure to visit our website careerlink.ai and join the circle for RAG to ensure that you don't miss out. Also, for other information and updates, please visit our CareerLink website, which is mentioned in the description as well.